Hi friends, welcome to our channel MC Tech Solutions. Friends, today we learn about how to check our earnings while they are coming from India or other countries. Friends, first open YouTube Studio. At left side we have some options. Select the Analytics option. At top of right side we have an option, Advanced Mode. Then click on Advanced Mode option. Then we get some options. Click on Geography option. Then click on Geography option. And then click on More Metrics option. Then we get lot of options. Under Revenue section, click on your Estimated Revenue option. Then you will get your earnings from which country in details of your YouTube earnings. If you like our video, then do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel MC Tech Solutions. Thanks for watching.